How to change the mail notification sounds in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open setting. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps, and then scroll down, and here you can see the mail option. Now click on mail and then click on notifications. First of all, turn off on mail notifications and then click on sounds. Now here you can change the mail notification. So this is the way to change the mail notification sounds in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.